Hi everyone, this is David and I'm with Republic Manufacturing. And today I want to talk to you about keeping a spare Republic bearing housing assembly on the shelf, which is absolutely an excellent idea. Now you'll notice when we ship these to you that it actually is with the impeller down and the pulley side up. And we also have a nice air cushion box that it ships in, that way it keeps it from being freight damaged. And I suggest you storing it that way as well. Now, one of the other things that we do, and one of the things that we have to be careful with, any rotating piece of equipment, when you store it, two things happen. You can wear flat spots on the outer bearing race. You can also, the grease will also separate from the bearings, which unfortunately, because of the speeds that we're turning these at, will actually cause the bearing housing assembly to prematurely fail. So one of the things you can do to prevent this from happening is every 3 weeks, just, take the bearing housing assembly out of the box, take it, rotate it a few rotations, and then put it back in the box and make sure that the impeller side is impeller down.